Say, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club, just to party, I'm there, I get paid to be. I be in and out them things so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who ain't bond of me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months, what bitch working as hard as me? I don't bother with these hoes, don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say goals, bitch I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill in some babe, I might just chill with your boo, I might just spill on your babe. My pussy feel like a lake, he wanna swim with his face. I'm like okay, I let him get what he want. He buy me East and Laurent, and then you whip, when they go back to the horse. I got the trunk in the front, I'm the hottest in the street. Know you probably heard of me, got a bag and fix my teeth. Hope you hoes don't ain't cheap, and I pay my mama bills. I ain't got no time to chill. Think these hoes be mad at me, they baby father wanna kill. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody move. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Bet you come around my way, you can't hang around my block. And I just check my account, turns out I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I put my hand up my hip, I bet you dip, he dip, she dip. I say, I get the money and go, this shit is hot like a stove. My pussy glitter is gold, tell that little bitch play her role. I just don't roll with no rolls, I just came up in no rave. I need to fill up the tank, no I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know they none of their niggas is fake. I go to dinner and steak, only the real can relate. I used to live in the peace, now it's the crib with the day. Only got charms, the life of the face. Hard to let these bitches know, just in case these hoes forgot. I just wanna check them more, another check from all of the top. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move.
I'm in the having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can fuck love, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the Benz don't do. When I roll 20 deep, it's always drama in the club. Now that I roll with Dre, everybody show me love. When you sell like them and them, you get plenty of groupie love. Look, homie, ain't nothing changed, roll down, G's up. I see exhibit in the cutting, man, roll them trees up. If you watch how I move, you mistake before I play up here. Been hit with a few shells, but I don't walk with a limp. In the hood, in the LA, they saying 50, you hot. They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. But holla in New York, show, they tell you I'm loco. And the plan is to put the rap game in the choke. I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind, got a meal out the deal, and I'm still in the grind.
Alright you guys, so this is officially the finished look, and oh my god, I was so surprised by this unit, you guys, for the simple fact that this unit did come straight. So this was my first time working with BEA hairs. I've never worked with them before, so I was kind of on the fence. You know, I'm always kind of on the fence when I'm working with new companies because you just don't know what you're gonna get. You know, you're really rolling the dice, you're just taking a chance. But I'm really glad that I took a chance on BEA hairs because I absolutely love this unit and I love what it turned into. This is so unexpected. This was like a really great surprise though, honestly. Like, this is my type of curly hair, if that makes any sense. Like I like more of a wave than I do like the really big poofy hair, because first of all, that shit is hot. It's super hot, it's thick, it's just a lot. Like every time I wear one of those units, I just can't wait to take it off. If you're in a rush, this is a perfect type of unit because you don't have to like do a lot of styling with it. I literally just wet my hair, put a little bit of this foaming mousse in it, and I was pretty much good to go. I didn't have to use my curling iron, which I really thought was gonna curl my hair. I was actually looking forward to doing some curls, but I guess I'll have to save this for another time. I did use my hot comb. I've been using my hot comb in my past 2 installs. Like as far as like curly hair is concerned, I've been using them. The only reason why I use them because I watch OG Emily. You guys know her as well, I'm sure. And I love the way that her installs turn out when she does like curly wig installs. She usually presses out her roots, and I noticed that it gets her wig like super flat. So I decided to go ahead and give that a try, and I really do like that method. So I did get that method from her. I'm not saying that she created it. I'm pretty sure other people have done it, but I just seen her do it, and that's who I got that from. So I love doing that, and you guys see how flat my install is now. Like it looks so good. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link for it down below for you guys. This unit, I want to say, is probably about like a 22 inch, maybe a 24. The hair isn't really that long, but it does have like some layers in it. I don't know if you guys can tell. You see it's like a pretty short piece, but then it goes like gradually longer. So this hair goes to about like the end of my back, like right above my butt or whatever. And I like the density of it. It's a very natural type of density. I would say this is probably about like a 150, you know, very average density. But I absolutely freaking love this hair, you guys, because honestly, you guys, when I first saw it, it had curls in it, so I already had this out. Like I had preheated and everything because I was gonna curl my hair. But then once I seen like the wave pattern that was in it, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna wet it and I'm gonna see how it goes. I put a little bit of foaming mousse in it as well, just to like really define the waves. I did use this foaming mousse in my hair to help define the waves. So yeah, you guys, absolutely beautiful. This is an up close look at my install. You guys can see, like, I didn't pluck this unit either, by the way. The past couple of installs that I did, I haven't really been plucking them. The reason why I've been doing that is because I actually couldn't pluck the last couple of units because they were lace part units or T-part units. It's harder to pluck and customize those because it has all the tracks and stuff, but this one is just a regular closure unit, so there's no tracks right here. You know, this is like all, you know, hair. Let me try to part it so you guys can see there's no tracks right there. So, but y'all can kind of see it goes all the way back here. It's like a really deep part. So if you're somebody who likes deep parting spaces, you'll like that. But I like the natural wave pattern to this hair. I'm trying to think like what this would be called. To me, I would just call this a natural wave. Like, it's not a deep wave, it's not a body wave, it's not a water wave. This is just a natural wave. So you guys, that about wraps up this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. If you did, let me know by leaving a comment down below. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, BEA Hairs, for sending over this unit. And I want to give a big thank you to all of you guys for stopping by on my channel today and watching today's video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye!